Station 1 Beachfront Hotel. Let's go! Kung nag-book kami sa Diamond Water Edge Resort, kailangan mo lang tumawid sa kabilang building and umakyat sa second floor. We book room 102E and it is 6K per night. Ito nga pala yung view in front of the hotel.
Wow!
Room tour tayo. Bed for 2. Meron din silang refrigerator kung saan merong mga beverages but it's not free and you will pay for it once consumed upon checkout. Pwede mo rin ilagay dito yung mga leftover foods outside. Meron din silang TV. Provided din ang sleeper and safe, towels and toiletries. Merong hair dryer. Hot and cold shower. And syempre dahil tunay tayo, kapit natin sa tanghali. Ito nga pala yung view kapag ka nagbe-breakfast. Included nga pala ito doon sa 6K per night. This is the hotel night view. This is the early morning view. Overall, sa Diamond Water Edge Resort, accommodating yung staff, in yung room, and amazing beach view. We booked this hotel at Gladex Travel and Tours. I will include the link below. Please like and subscribe for more videos about Boracay.